In this episode of Aviation This Week, Robinson delivers R-66 serial number 1000. Then Canadian Armed Forces receives its second and third 295, and X-37B wins Collier Trophy. Robinson Helicopter delivered its 1000th R-66 turbine to one of its dealers, Gardner Aviation in Georgia, to be forwarded to its new owner, Nashville tour operator, Monarch Helicopters, which is upgrading from an R-44. The first production R-66 was delivered in November 2010, a month after the helicopter received its type certificate from the FAA. Powered by the Rolls-Royce RR300 turbine, the R-66 recently surpassed 1.2 million flight hours without a single reported in-flight engine failure. The R-66 is now offered with a range of options, including a cargo hook, lithium-ion battery, fuel flow system, auxiliary fuel tanks, impact-resistant windshields, touchscreen avionics, and SAS autopilot. Canadian Armed Forces took delivery of its second and third Airbus CC-295 in Seville, Spain, as part of the procurement program to replace its fixed-wing search and rescue aircraft. These two aircraft are scheduled to arrive at 19 Wing in Comox, BC later this year, where they will first be used for training and operational testing. The first 295 was delivered back in December 2019 with its distinctive yellow paint scheme that was first set in the 1970s. The contract was awarded to Airbus in December 2016, including 16 295 aircraft and all in-service support elements, which includes the construction of a new training center in Comox. In addition to Comox, the aircraft will be based with RCAF's current search and rescue squadrons in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Trenton, Ontario, and Greenwood, Nova Scotia. The National Aeronautic Association named the secretive X-37B autonomous spaceplane as this year's winner of the prestigious Robert J. Collier Trophy, presented annually since 1911 to recognize the greatest achievement in American aeronautics and astronautics. Resembling NASA's space shuttle, but much smaller at just under 9 meters long, close to 3 meters tall, and with a wingspan of 4.6 meters, the X-37B was designed and built by Boeing. It is now operated in partnership with the U.S. Space Force and managed by the U.S. Department of the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office as a reusable, uncrewed testbed to carry experiments into orbit. In May, the aircraft was launched on its sixth mission. It returned from mission number 5 in late 2019 after setting a new 780-day on-orbit endurance record, traveling more than 1 billion miles. Since the X-37B is a U.S.-only endeavor, its payloads are typically classified, although its 2019 mission was known to carry an oscillating heat pipe experiment, while its fourth mission tested out an ion thruster and new materials for exposure to space. Observers, primarily based on aircraft configurations seen in images of landings, believe there are two X-37B spaceplanes.